welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a productive day of I'm not sure what we're doing yet, but we are going to get some things done. The first thing I'm doing though is starting my morning off with the most delicious bagels that I made yesterday with literally a few ingredients: Greek yogurt, flour, baking powder, and that was it. So we are going to get one of those whipped up, and I'm telling you, these were the most delicious bagels. I will never buy bagels from the grocery store again. Sorry, this video is so bouncy because I don't have my tripod. Flew over and broke, and now I have to get a new one ordered. But anyway, so even Colby, like, he does not like bagels, and he came home yesterday after I raved about these bagels all day long, tried one, and he was blown away as well. So you've got to try these. I did post a recipe video, the video before this one. So give them a try and let me know what you think. We're gonna go ahead and get started with getting the dishwasher unloaded and loaded and checked off the list this morning, and then get the kitchen cleaned up and wiped down. I'm just gonna make myself a glass of greens and superfoods. I've just been trying to incorporate these into my day, and it's just helped make sure I hit my fruit and vegetable goal. When I was cleaning up and moved this chair back over to the table, I did notice there was a little bit of a wood chip in there, which I was kind of disappointed. I just got these off of Wayfair a few months ago. So I actually have this little crayon from my kitchen, or my laundry room cabinets, that I'm just gonna try to fill it in with. I think it turned out okay. As I was cleaning up this morning, I noticed we were running out of so many things, so I'm gonna have to do a Target pickup order. I need to grab some diapers, some toothpaste, and then we'll probably have to do a Sam's Club run later this evening to get some things as well. I ran out of paper plates, wipes, Clorox wipes, all kinds of stuff. I wanted to share this super delicious dinner idea that we made yesterday evening. These were barbecue chicken wraps, and you basically just mix chicken, which I did a pack of chicken tenderloins in the crock pot, cheddar cheese, red onion, and barbecue sauce. Mix that all together, and then you'll just put it in your wraps. And then after that, you're just gonna fry them up in a pan, and they were super, super tasty. So give these a try. I'll put the recipe link in the description so you have the exact measurements and stuff, but so yummy. Okay, so I just went to Target and did a pickup order. Every time I do a pickup order from Target, I get a perfect bar and an Olipop every single time. The perfect bars are literally like a special little treat. I don't know. They're amazing. If I feel like eating a candy bar, I'll just grab one of these because it literally hits a spot. They've got 12 grams of protein and then 20 plus superfoods, and they are super tasty. My favorite one is the chocolate chip cookie dough. And then I'll usually just get like the chocolate, I think it's the chocolate, peanut butter chocolate chip maybe. And then they have, like I saw on the pickup this morning, they had a brownie one, but I'm not sure if I would like that. But super tasty. Hit the spot. Yum. And then the Olipop that I got is the cream soda. I don't drink too much soda. Maybe once in a blue moon if I'm at a restaurant. It just depends like on what I'm eating, but like we don't buy it or anything in the house, so sometimes I need a little bit of carbonation, and these hit the spot as well. These actually have prebiotics, botanicals, plant fiber. So one of my favorite ones is the orange and the grape, but I was kind of feeling like the cream soda today, so we grabbed that one. And then the main reason I went was to get toothpaste, but guess what I forgot? The toothpaste. So I did not order it for the kids. There's a special toothpaste that I get for the kids, and Target has it, and I didn't get it. So anyway, but I did also get diapers. I really like Target brand diapers. I used to get Hello Bello delivered to me every month, but I stopped that subscription and then switched to the Target brand, and these are actually really good. Like, I have no issues, and it's $5 for this pack. This has 31 in it. So of course, the bigger the size, the less diapers you get. You know how that goes. And then they had these sandals that I saw in there a few weeks ago, and of course only had one size left, which is like a 6.5, and that is definitely not going to fit me. So they had some back in stock, and I had to grab these before they sold out of them again. And they're also on sale, and of course they're wrapped with all this paper. So let me get this paper off. But they have the, like, the footbed that doesn't have, like, the fabric. It's more like, I don't know, a wipeable material, which I really like, because I feel like all my sandals I get for the summer that's got, like, that, I don't know, like the clog material at the bottom, they get so nasty. So I really like these. So adorable. And so these were on sale for, I think it was $26 is what I paid there. I think they're having 20% or 25% off. I don't know when it goes through, but I grabbed these before they went out of stock again. So I'm so glad that I finally got those. Super cute. And like I said, they have like the wipeable material instead of like that fabric. Like, it's like not leather. Is it leather? I don't know. But it gets so nasty. But these will be cleanable. So, anywho, that's what I got from Target. And I was gonna go to Sam's Club, but I ended up getting caught, like I said, doing things at home. And I said, maybe we'll just go this evening. But I have a huge list I need to get from Sam's. I've got to get paper plates, more Clorox wipes, some Pediasure. My middle child has to have Pediasure for some nutritional deficiencies because she does not like to eat very much. And I was like, you know what? I don't think that's a good idea on a Friday. So we did not go to Sam's Club. Well, I didn't think it was a good idea on a Friday with a couple of kids. So we're probably going to go as a family this evening and maybe, I don't know, hit up the cafe there and feed the kids for a couple bucks a piece. It's like literally the best thing. But anyways, I am going to enjoy my bar and my Olipop. And I will see you all again next time.